Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you interested in selling Canva templates on Facebook? This tutorial will show you how to design, list and promote your Canva template for sale on Facebook. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about selling your Canva designs on Facebook. Pretty much it's a very complicated topic when you're selling like people that you are going to sell Canva design. People might be shocked, maybe like what, how I can just go to Canva and create the same design or whatever. But they are very like a huge amount of people that are just underestimating like the power of Canva designs, and they don't know about the marketplace of this domain. Now if you went to Facebook, well, basically not of my country, well, you can check the US. So let me just check the Facebook marketplace of US. Let me just go here, for example. Let me just go to marketplace and search, for example, for Canva templates. And let me search by, let me just remove this location and let's choose, for example, the whole word. Let's go for USA, for example. Or there's like bunch of options to search for. You can search by a lot of things, by the highest place, lowest places. But what I want to do exactly is to go, for example, for Europe, or I want to shoot something that's kind of like literally take a whole bunch of places. For example, Madrid. Apply. When we can search here, there is like people that are selling Canva designs. You can find, for example, this design, this one. There's people that are basically gonna sell. Let's go, for example, let's choose, for example, the USA. Let's go for Canada first. Canada. Okay, and let's apply this. This seems like there's nothing here. Let's search for another place. For example, you can choose the USA, and basically just by searching like that you can see already that there is some places that they don't really have any campaigns about the Facebook or the Canva designs. But look, here we go. Now if you really search for it, there is big amounts of people that are literally making Canva designs. They are printing them and selling them. As you can see here, for example, this is a template made in Canva. This one also, all of these basically you can make them in Canva and sell them. So how can we do the same thing as these people? Well, first of all, you need to understand how does Canva work. Well, Canva design or Canva doesn't allow you to sell the premium designs. For example, let's say that you have a premium design, and let's go, not premium design, but you have premium version of Canva, so you can get the access to premium designs. Well, basically by you, for example, let's check for premium. For example, let's say that this design is premium. Let's go, for example, to like here. Let's search for professional CV, and let's say, for example, that this design is premium, which basically it can be. Let's go here, customize this template. Now when you're trying to make it not premium anymore, what you have to do is to either edit something in this page. For example, I'm gonna edit this, change something here, and once I am done, I can click on share and share it with people that I don't know. So I can with the link and share this link that I have right here with people that I want them to get the access to this like designs, and there you go. Now they have access to Canva premium design, which usually they wouldn't be able to actually have it. Now this thing is basically illegal on Canva, so you need to understand it. What design you can do is to design something from scratch, and by scratch I don't mean zero thing. I mean, for example, you do have this premium template, we try to change something in it. For example, I'm gonna remove these things, I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna add something else from another design, so I can combine multiple designs together and manage to create a new one. Just like that, I can now sell these designs. Now how can I sell them? Well, you can first of all make a business where you can create somebody's CVs for free. You can give them the template. This is the template that I'm gonna like, not for free but for a price, of course, but the price has to be very low, because they can literally, for example, if they don't or they do want a CV and your price is pretty much higher than Canva Premium, they can literally just go ahead and buy Canva and get the premium version. Since the premium version is not really that expensive. If you want a pro here, such a free trial, and you want to check the prices, it is not that much of a price. You can see here it is 55 for a year. If you try to like divide it by 12, let me just divide it quick. As you can, oh no, not like that. If we try to divide it by 12, it is like $4.5 per a month. So you try to put the price at $1.2, something like that, and you will see how many people that they don't have enough time to spend on making a CV. They just want everything to be made up for them and ready to be used. So you can use this marketplace to actually reach money. If you don't trust me, guys, with what I'm saying, look on Etsy. Etsy like have the real talk. So Canva templates, and as you can see here, let me just there we go. All right, see, okay, let's change that from dirham to, I need like euros or United States dollar, and look how many offers are in here. Look, let's start by this. And the best thing about it is you are going to check even like how many people are buying it, so it is not like something that private. So this guy is selling 200 product ideas, for example. We don't really care about it. Let's go right here. 7,500 plus pages, templates on Canva. 200 templates for how much? For $2. How many people have ordered this? If you think nobody did, if you think this image that they are using is bad, well, look at it. 326 people have ordered till today this business or this model of templates from Canva. Let's go here. Alright, this one is crazy, guys. You need to get ready. Pack of 45 paying pastoral Instagram posts. This is very like simple to make on Canva. $0.8. I mean, the margin has to be pretty cheap, but look how many people have asked for it. 22.6k. This is amazing. Like, let's just for fun try to calculate how many people or how much money they made. I mean, it's not gonna be a lot of money, like amazing, but look, $18,000. It's not something that big, but still you're making, I mean, it is something big. I mean, we cannot lie, it is a big amount of money, but still it's a very good amount of money to actually have through a Canva business, which doesn't really have to take a lot of time of your day, and it's pretty simple. You don't have to be having any skills at the designing domain. You just have to actually own Canva Premium and do some kind of templates and sell them. Here we have 100, 500 orders, 2.4k. The domain is so useful. So all you need to do is to make a design on Canva, go ahead to Facebook, create a new listing and sell it on there. Make sure to choose the location to be fitting the marketplace where they are selling Canva's designs, and just like that you will start making money selling Canva's designs on Facebook. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.